Hey, Mike Kennedy, and we're having an unusual breakfast. A Dollar Tree breakfast, kind of a carry with you breakfast or a little meal. And what we're doing with it, we're doing some water in my official Pathfinder Dave Canterbury water bottle that I've had for eons. And we've got from the Dollar Tree, we've got a not just tuna, but tuna salad. So this has actually got some let's see what it's got in it. It's got tuna, water, celery, carrot, sugar, modified food starch, water chestnuts, salt, onion, carrageenan. We talked about that the other day, the extract from seaweed that gives things more of a creamy texture. Mustard powder, onion powder, acetic acid, that's vinegar, xanthan gum, and some things I've never heard of. But it does have tuna in it. And so here we've got with this, we've got 60 calories and 8 grams of protein. So this has really got a lot of protein. It's got 1 gram of dietary fiber, which I assume is in there from the small amount of vegetable things they put in. Oh, product of Thailand from Bumblebee. I didn't realize that. Interested in where your tuna came from. TraceMyCatch.com. That would be interesting to look at. I don't have trouble eating things from other countries unless that other country is China. They just make too many mistakes with food products. There recently has been another issue with some dog food they put out. Actually, I don't know if it's killed dogs or made them sick, but not good. So I have food from China. Then we've also got here, these were like 5 or 6 in a pack at the Dollar Tree. So what are we saying? This is $1.20 maybe? The water's free. Let's look at the dates on these two. The dates. June 2022. So there we've got basically a year and a half in date. These biscuits are $2.21. So these aren't that far in date. But anyway, let's try them out. I thought when I got these that these were, I didn't look at the package and I was thinking, a lot of times when they say breakfast, it's like a breakfast replacement, not just something to eat with breakfast, but this is definitely just something to eat with breakfast. We've got 115 calories. We do have 7 grams of protein. Tastes good. A little on the dry side, but definitely going to be eating that. And now let's and I like that these pouches actually, if you have arthritis in your hands, you can actually still open these. So here is the spork. Now it's folded and it snaps together. It's not, it's up to the task, definitely. Now, if you had some bread, you could just spread this out on bread and make a sandwich. I suppose I could have put some in between the cinnamon crackers, but I don't know. Most people would consider this a lunch item, not a breakfast, but since breakfast is the most important meal, it might be good to get a low protein. And we can see in here right off, we can see, let's see if you can see, it's kind of washed out on the camera, but I can see tuna, I can see onions, I can see carrots. Tastes good. They have a lot of spice in it. Does this have salt in it? 340 grams of sodium, 16%. It's slightly bland to me, but and you're only getting 60 calories, so that's really good. Now, if you were to put this between two slices of bread, you would figure the 2 slices of bread would be 90 calories a piece, probably. But these definitely would be a good thing that you could oops, it unfolded. I mean, it folded, not unfolded. You could just put in a coat pocket easily. If you're out about hiking and everything. We're going to do some more Dollar Tree cooking. Since they sell eggs for only $1 for 12, there's a lot of things you can do with eggs. Put things in eggs, like we're going to do cheese omelet. They have onion powder, dehydrated onion. We're going to use some of that. We're going to try some things too that you add to eggs. They have like hot dogs, and usually less expensive hot dogs really don't taste that good to me anyway. So one of the things you can do with them is you cut them up smaller into little discs and you fry them. Usually frying some things can make them taste considerably better and enjoyable. I know there's new ads for Spam that says don't knock it until you've fried it. And yes, frying Spam turns it more back into the character of ham. So if you've never tried Spam fried, try it. It's a lot better. And so we're going to do some of those things, additions to eggs and different things. But they do sell flours and stuff like that, so we're going to do some things. But the idea is to be able to source all the ingredients from the Dollar Tree, and we'll try making some different things, some meals, and talk about the prices and whatever. So that's the plan. Bye.